Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. The no-nonsense guide to replacing your axle shaft seal. Ever noticed a puddle of fluid under your car and wondered if it's a cause for concern? It might just be a sign of a failing axle shaft seal. These seals play a crucial role in keeping the lubricants inside the axle and preventing contaminants from causing damage to your vehicle's drivetrain system. Ignoring a leak can lead to more severe issues, like transmission damage or axle failure, which are both costly and unsafe. If you're seeing oil spots on your driveway, hearing unusual noises from the axle area, or your vehicle is handling differently, it might be time to consider replacing your axle shaft seal. In this video, we'll walk you through the symptoms of a damaged seal, the risks of driving with one, and a step-by-step guide on how to replace it yourself. Understanding this could save you from a bigger headache down the road. Understanding axle shaft seals. In the complex system of a vehicle's drivetrain, axle shaft seals play a crucial role in maintaining the proper function of the components. These seals are positioned at the ends of the axle shafts, where they connect to the differential. Their primary function is to prevent the leakage of lubricants, such as oil or grease, and to keep out contaminants that could damage the internal components. Components and materials. Axle shaft seals are typically made from durable materials like rubber or silicone, known for their flexibility and resistance to wear and tear. The key components of an axle shaft seal include the sealing lip, which makes direct contact with the axle shaft, and the outer casing, which holds the seal in place within the axle housing. Additionally, some seals may have additional components like tension springs to ensure proper sealing pressure. Signs of a failing axle shaft seal. Recognizing the signs of a failing axle shaft seal is essential for preventing further damage to the drivetrain. Common symptoms include fluid leaks near the wheels, especially noticeable after the vehicle has been parked for a while. You may also hear unusual noises, such as grinding or whining sounds, coming from the affected axle. Vibrations or a noticeable decrease in lubricant levels could also indicate a failing axle shaft seal. If any of these signs are present, it's crucial to address the issue promptly to avoid more significant problems down the road. Importance of timely axle shaft seal replacement. In the hustle and bustle of daily life, it's easy to overlook the critical maintenance needs of our vehicles. One such vital component that often goes unnoticed until it's too late is the axle shaft seal. Ensuring the timely replacement of the axle shaft seal is not just about preventive maintenance. It's about safeguarding your vehicle's drivetrain system from costly damages and potential safety hazards. Risk of continued driving. Neglecting a compromised axle shaft seal can have severe consequences on your vehicle's transmission and differential. These components are essential for the proper functioning of your vehicle's drivetrain. Driving with a worn-out or damaged axle shaft seal can allow contaminants like dirt, debris, and moisture to enter the system, leading to accelerated wear and potential failure of these crucial components. Imagine the strain on your transmission and differential if they are constantly exposed to harmful particles and excess friction caused by a faulty seal. The longer this issue persists, the higher the risk of irreversible damage, putting both your vehicle's performance and your safety at stake. Costly repairs due to delay. What might seem like a minor inconvenience or a negligible leak today can snowball into a major financial burden if axle shaft seal replacement is delayed. The financial implications of procrastinating this seemingly small repair can escalate quickly. A simple seal replacement can turn into a costly repair if left unattended, leading to more extensive damage to the transmission, differential, and other drivetrain components. Picture the domino effect of a delay. A small leak causing gradual deterioration, eventually resulting in a complete breakdown of critical parts that could have been salvaged with a timely seal replacement. Saving a few dollars now might end up costing you significantly more in the long run. By understanding the risks of continued driving with a compromised axle shaft seal and the potentially hefty price tag of delayed replacement, you can make informed decisions to protect your vehicle and your wallet. Don't let a seemingly minor issue spiral into a major headache. Prioritize the timely replacement of your axle shaft seal to ensure smooth driving and avoid unnecessary expenses down the road. Axle shaft seal replacement process. Preparation and safety measures. 1. Preparation and safety measures. Before starting the axle shaft seal replacement process, it's crucial to take necessary preparatory steps. Start by parking the vehicle on a flat, level surface and engaging the parking brake. Ensure the vehicle is securely supported with jack stands. Remember to wear protective gear like gloves and safety glasses to prevent any accidents during the repair. 2. Removing the old seal. Removing the old, damaged axle shaft seal requires careful attention to avoid harming surrounding components. Begin by lifting the vehicle and removing the wheel connected to the axle shaft. Use a pry bar or seal puller to gently extract the old seal, taking care not to scratch or dent the axle housing. Slow and steady movements will help in smoothly removing the seal without causing any unnecessary damage. 3. Installing the new seal. Installing the new axle shaft seal correctly is vital for optimal performance. Start by cleaning the area around the seal housing thoroughly. Apply a thin coat of clean oil to the new seal to aid in installation. Carefully align the new seal in the housing, ensuring it sits flush and level. Use a seal driver or a socket of the appropriate size to gently tap the seal into place until it's fully seated. Double check for proper alignment and ensure the seal is securely fitted to prevent any leaks. By following these steps diligently, you can successfully replace the axle shaft seal, resulting in a well-maintained and safe vehicle for your future journeys. In closing, maintaining the health of your vehicle's drivetrain is crucial, and one key aspect of this is ensuring timely replacement of the axle shaft seals. By replacing these seals promptly, you can prevent costly damage to your vehicle's transmission and differential components, ultimately saving you time and money in the long run. Remember, neglecting to replace worn-out axle shaft seals can lead to leaks, contamination of vital fluids, and even total drivetrain failure. So, stay proactive and keep your vehicle running smoothly by staying on top of axle shaft seal maintenance. Your car will thank you. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.